it's 35 minutes.
35
It's not far at all. Not only about 5 hours, actually not that past us.
We're just going to breathe.
Yeah.
It takes me an hour, normally it takes me an hour and 10 minutes to drive.
Yeah.
But I stayed over at the hotel.
Premier Inn.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
You guys have booked the room for really cheap.
12 million.
Yeah, really cheap. And I'll tell you what, the difference between Premier Inn and London is like very nice.
Is it?
Yeah. But trouble sometimes. But when you say the Premier Inn beats
Yeah.
nice.
I'm really impressed with it. I mean, alright, it's clean. Bar was open till 1 o'clock at night.
Yes.
Nice shower, nice bed.
Yeah. That's all.
For 12 quid.
Yeah. So we should have set up for Wednesday night.
Yes, that one a bit too. It all went wrong yesterday. Yeah. Dreadful smell. And my neighbour, she said it's gas. She's just before I'm about to leave. So I had to find the emergency gas station and said, what can you sort of out?
The good news is your gas base is not so good.
Yeah.
Is that what it was like?
Dead mouse.
Oh, yeah.
In the corner.
I don't know what Saturday was. I've maybe there's something bad in the drain, so obviously where the water's coming out the washing machine. Just you can tell straight away that it was
What was it?
What is it?
What was it?
I've never found out. I just turned the taps off, put some bleach down the sink. So I finished it out.